Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to install WordPress on your local machine. Learning WordPress is fun. Anyone with the wish to try creating a site would surely be tempted to its ease of use. Not just you, millions of people around the world depend on WordPress for their websites. That constitutes 30% of the total websites live at this moment. I am sure you are geared up to try WordPress more passionately than ever before. Without installing WordPress on your local computer, it is hardly possible. With that in mind, in this video, we will teach you how to install WordPress on localhost. Installing WordPress on localhost is quite easy. You just have to follow some easy steps. You cannot install WordPress on your local computer directly. You have to create an environment, then install WordPress on localhost. Initially, it is about just 3 major tasks, such as create an environment, download WordPress from its website, install WordPress on localhost. These 3 major tasks can be completed through some easy steps. Follow the following steps without skipping any of them to install WordPress on your computer successfully. Step 1. Download and install a local server software. We need a local server software to create a localhost environment and install WordPress on localhost. In this tutorial, I have already downloaded and installed a local server, namely Xampp. Step 2. Run Xampp on your computer. Once you have installed Xampp successfully, run Xampp on your computer. Navigate to where you stored the Xampp file. Open the file, then click the Xampp control below. It will open the Xampp control panel, then click the Start button on both Apache and MySQL to start. Step 3. Create a database. Your WordPress site needs a database to save its data on. Go to localhost/phpMyAdmin on your browser. Click on New and give it a name, then click on Create to finish the process. Have the database name in mind as you need to use it in the future. Step 4. Download WordPress. To install WordPress on localhost, you need to download WordPress from the official website. Step 5. Put WordPress in Xampp's htdocs. Now go to the Xampp directory in your computer's system drive. Open htdocs folder, found inside the Xampp directory, and paste unpacked WordPress folder in there. Step 6. Install WordPress on localhost. Type localhost/WordPress on your browser's address bar and hit enter. Select language and click continue. Click on Let's Go button on the following page. Give all required information. This page requires database name, the database you've created earlier in step 3. Username will be root and password will be left blank. Hit the submit button at the bottom and click run the installation on the very next page. Complete WordPress installation with admin information. Give your site a title, username, password, and email address. Finally hit the Install WordPress button at the bottom. You have successfully installed WordPress on your computer. Log into your locally hosted WordPress site now. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.